Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose. How you guys doing? Today's video is an unboxing video. I'm so excited. Okay, so there's gonna be like a little backstory before I get into the unboxing proper. All right, so here I present to you my former blender. This is the former blender I've been using. I actually got it 5 years ago, and it was actually a wedding gift. It was a wedding present. It has served me diligently for 5 years, but I guess it's time to say goodbye. Okay, so this is the backstory. You all know I do fruit juices. If you are like a regular on this channel, you will know that I do fresh fruit juices for sale. Like, I sell fresh fruit juices, and you can check out my page on Instagram at Miels Juices, MELS_juices. All right, so I have been using this for juices, and it has worked very fine. But one of the juices I make is this tiger nut milk, and you know how hard it is. So I guess it was not just cut out for that. It actually has 3 cups. It has 3 cups. This is the biggest, which is the one I have been using. But if you can see, one day I was blending and I was hearing a very funny sound, and guess what? Like, every single component inside just came off, because I guess the things it was blending was too much, and it actually broke off one of the blades. So that was that. Then I went to the second cup, which was smaller. I think that was the one that broke off, which was smaller. But okay, the first one was not blending things as smoothly. Then the second one, and I went to this one, and it broke off. So I have been managing this, because my dream blender is actually Buchi Mix blender. But when money never did like that, you gotta manage what you have. Okay, so this is an unboxing video. I want to show you guys. Thank you, my love. You have served me diligently. I love you. Bye. Bye, Felicia. Okay. Okay, so when I was complaining bitterly and all that, my husband said, okay, if you can't get your dream blender yet, I can get you something like in the interim that you could be using. And, you know, we checked for something which was, you know, good enough to handle the kind of work I wanted to do, but fair in price as well. And so he saw this. He even ordered it without telling me, and it was when they were about to deliver it today. You know, he called me that they were going to deliver it. So I just took delivery of this, and I'm going to show you guys what is inside. All right, I haven't even tested it. We're going to be testing it as well, just to see how it works. I just received this, so I'm seeing this. Quite a lot of things inside. Cup number 1. Cup number 2. I love, like, it's so big as compared to this was my biggest cup before. You can see the difference. This, whatever that is for, I'll later find out. I guess this is the cover. I really don't know what this is. And drum roll please, this is the Odogu of all of the Odogus, because the motto of the machine is always the hardest worker. Now this one, they do all the work. Every other thing, assistant. That's my thoughts. Okay, so you guys can see this. It's a Silver Crest. It's a Silver Crest product. I don't know if you can see. And from what I read, they said it can blend bottles, it can blend whatever. We'll see. We're gonna see about that. So, wow. So here we have the multifunction knob, and we have on and off button, on and off. I will later figure out what everything is for. Okay, so but first of all, let's just get a sounding of how the engine, you know, feels like. I don't know how this works. Just trying to figure this out. I don't know why it's shaking like this though. I feel it should be. I don't know if it should, I don't know if this is how it is. But guys, let's see how this goes. Has, you know, 6,000 watts at watts. I don't know what that means. Okay. All right. So these are the two buttons. I think this is to power on the machine because I was seeing two on buttons. So power buttons. This is to power on the machine, and this is for. I think that is like. I think that is like a turbo button, like to make it. Then this. Guess what, guys? I'm in love. Like, I think this can crush anything because from what I learned, they said it's actually a bottle crusher. Like it can crush glass or whatever. So I'm gonna try it out and I'll let you guys know what I think. Thank you for joining me on my unboxing video. I hope you guys were not bored and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this is my newest baby. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.